Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator. First, gather your tools, including a drain pan, a wrench set, and new coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot fluids or components. Next, position your drain pan beneath the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom, and carefully open it to drain all the old coolant. This step is crucial for a clean and safe replacement process. Once the coolant is fully drained, you can begin disconnecting the hoses. Carefully loosen the clamps and detach both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Next, locate and unplug any electrical connectors, such as those for the cooling fan or temperature sensor, ensuring not to damage them. Finally, remove the mounting bolts or clips securing the radiator in place, then gently lift the old unit out of the engine bay. Now, it's time to install your new radiator. Carefully lower the new unit into the engine bay, aligning it with the mounting points. Reconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses, ensuring the clamps are tight to prevent leaks. Don't forget to plug in all electrical connectors you previously detached. Double-check that all bolts are tightened to the correct specifications, ensuring a secure and leak-free installation. With the new radiator in place, it's time to refill the system. Use the correct type and amount of coolant, slowly pouring it in to avoid air pockets. After refilling, run the engine with the heater on high to help bleed any trapped air from the system, topping off the coolant as needed. This ensures proper cooling and prevents overheating. For an amazing home upgrade, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.